Congratulations on having made a very smart decision. Your new Window World windows are going to provide years of energy-saving, trouble-free service. If you'd like to know more about how your new window operates, you've come to the right place. This video covers the use of a slider window. If you have either single and double hung windows or casement windows, please locate them on the website and open the one that best fits your needs. A sliding window or slider is probably the easiest window to operate. To open it, just unlock the window. To do this, push the latch up. This unlocks the window. Now pull the window to the right or the left, depending upon how you want it to open. To close it, do the same thing in reverse. To lock it, push the latch down. This locks the window. If the lock doesn't engage, it means that you haven't fully pulled the slider shut. Push both panes until they're snug in their frame, then lock the window. Finally, many people are curious about these holes. These are called weep holes on the exterior bottom part of the window frame. They allow any water from the elements to drain out of the bottom channels of the window frame. And that's it. Enjoy your new windows. As always, if you have any questions, please contact your local Window World.